And your name's Teresa?
It's Teresa.
Teresa.
Yes,
Right.
it's a Spanish name. On the 3rd of September of 2019, I had my partial knee replacement done. It was scary, got very swollen and very big, and I couldn't walk for a while. And that's when I first was recommended to Six Physio in Chelsea, and I met Karina, who has ever since been my Six Physio and my shining armor. Going to the 3-to-1 equipment classes are part of the highlight of my life. It gets me out of the house on Tuesday evenings, and we work out, and yes, we gossip and we talk about books and we have a lot of fun while she treats us hard on doing the exercise we need to do. It helps work the areas that I need most help, rather than being in a class with other 10 people just trying to do the 20 reps as quick as possible. I've encountered difficult things in my life, and a broken marriage and a difficult divorce at the moment. I can see the benefits that Six Physio has given me that go way beyond being strong and working on my balance, which is what happens as we get older. There's something that clicks in, isn't it? That you do a class and the serotonin clicks in, and it's like inside, it's like a bunch of flowers pop up. I 100% have linked my mental health and my physical health. I'm gonna cry. I've never pondered the option of not having this as part of my life. There will be a big gap. Indeed, Karina knows my body and my strengths and weaknesses and helps me work them out, but she has also supported me emotionally. Karina is so amazing. She has helped me out through my fears and trigger moments and panic, whilst at the same time asking me to slow down and to count to 20. She works us hard, and I am so grateful for that. She knows everybody's names, everybody's children's and grandchildren's name. She's amazing. If you were to ask me what would I say to someone that is hesitating or doubting, and I can understand the most difficult thing is that first step. It is good to know that Six Physio is not just injury rehab or massage. For me, is the option of these small classes and the opportunity to work out from home. It's there in a much more intimate space than a big gym that can be daunting for some people. I know there's several branches, but there's something that feels like intimate and a small house in the clinic I attend. I call it my anchors in life, right? And being able to leave my home and go to a class and work on myself and sweat and remembering the next 2 days is priceless.